You've poured your heart and soul into building your small business. But what happens to your single-member LLC when you're no longer around? Probate. It's the legal process where a deceased person's estate is distributed. For a single-member LLC, this can mean trouble. It's time-consuming, costly, and public, potentially exposing your business to risks, from operational paralysis to competitors peeking into your financials. Imagine your business stuck for months or even years without a leader, hemorrhaging money and clients along the way. But don't worry, there's hope. With proper estate planning, including a comprehensive succession plan, you can bypass these pitfalls. Consider setting up a manager-managed structure, drafting a detailed operating agreement, and placing your LLC interests into a living trust. This ensures your business avoids probate, maintaining privacy and continuity. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your business and your legacy today, so your life's work continues to flourish tomorrow.
Take the first step towards securing your legacy with Legacy Assurance Plan. Book your free consultation today.